Hello everyone, welcome to JIB CIB English Medium channel. My name is Aarti and I hope you all are doing good. So basically if you are targeting to clear JIB in this May 2026, then remember this session which I am going to conduct today is going to help you a lot. Because if you are from non-commerce background and even if you're from commerce background and after reading few topics of your AFM, you are feeling that no, AFM is not my subject. I cannot do this AFM. AFM is very tough among all your four subjects. Then remember, this particular session will help you in your preparation because I'm going to tell you important topics that to module wise. Yes, so without any delay, let's start this session. So, um, in your AFM, basically, you have, four modules, module A, B, C, and D. A module and B module talks about accounts. Yes, these two modules will cover accounts part. That too very basic accounts like from your 11th and 12th. And apart from that, you have your audit part, IT part, yes, and banking related topics. So in these two modules, you will read about accounts, about audit, about bank, about IT. So four different you can say topics you need to cover under these two modules. And in today's session, I will tell you only about module A. Yes. So which are very important topics from module A? Let's start that discussion. But remember, if you see your exam pattern, each and every question will be in MCQ pattern. Yes, direct theory they can ask, numerical questions they can ask, match the following, fill in the blanks, and recently, means from May 25, they introduced case studies. That is a case-led pattern. So remember, these are, different types of questions you will see in exam. Now, one by one, we will talk about important topics from module A. So if you see the weightage here from module A, this carries around 25 to 30 marks in your exam. Yes, this carries between these weightage. Now, if you see your first unit from module A, that is going to be very easy, very direct unit, introduction of your accounts. Yes, so here you will talk about introduction of accounts. Next is going to be basic accounting procedures, some rules and regulations which each and every businessman needs to follow. Here you will see, important points like different, principles, different rules which are assumed by businesses, and that is you will read in this basic accounting procedures. Very important from exam point of view. So this is your important one topic. Next is about maintenance of cash, subsidiary books, and ledger. Now, after knowing that this is your transaction or this are the activities which you need to record in your books, you will start with the very first thing, that is journal. So you will see the introduction of journal here. Yes, you will see golden rules of accounting, which is very important for your accounts part. If you are not aware with this golden rules of accounting, you cannot solve or you cannot do your journal. You cannot pass any accounting entries. So first and foremost thing which you need to remember, that is golden rules of accounting. After that journal, then ledgers and your subsidiary books. Now, after that, unit 4 talks about bank reconciliation statement. Again, this is important unit, important to unit. In this unit, you will see your reconciliation statement. Whenever you identify mismatch as per your cash book, yes, whatever documents you are preparing, and if that is not matching with your bank statement, with your passbook, how to reconcile it. That is what you will, read in this. Then, trial balance, rectification of errors. Now, in this unit 5, this rectification of errors and adjusting part is important. Yes, especially this rectification of errors and adjusting part is very very important. So this is your important unit third. Then next is unit 6, depreciation. This is your numerical unit and this is your important fourth unit, correct? Then after that you have capital and expenditure. You need to just read this unit because when you are going for difficult units, in that they can ask one or two points related to this unit. Yes, not very important, but please don't skip it, very easy one. Now, bills of exchange, your important unit 5. and that is your bills of exchange. Nowadays, when you are going for credit transactions, you can use this particular document as a proof. Yes. After that, you have bank related topics 9 and 10. Bank related. So, as you are a banker, so you cannot skip these two topics. Yes. So that is not very repetitive in nature, but as a banker, you should know about your banking entries, your banking working. Then unit 11, that is important. Unit 6. In this, you will talk about, bank audits, like your start audit, you have concurrent audit, internal audit, yes or no. So these are 11 units that you need to cover in your module A. And out of these 11 units, you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 units are very important. You cannot skip these units. Other units are also very important, but you can give less time or less weightage to those. But this is not compulsory that you need to read only the 6 units and you will become master. No. Nowadays, examiners are asking from, any unit. If they want to make your paper difficult, they can ask from very least asking unit also, like your capital and revenue expenditure. They never ask direct questions from that. But if they want to make your paper, difficult or lengthy, of course they will touch these type of units. So if you have time, then please go with each and every unit. Okay? And remember, weightage of this unit is around 20 to 35 marks. Now, remember, if you want to clear in this attempt and you want to get good marks like 73, as you can see on your screen, 57, yes, 72, 53, 54, 61. If you want to score this much good marks and you want to prepare in this attempt only, then you can join our upcoming batches, or you can join our best package which says your JIB Mahapack. Because in this particular Mahapack, we will be providing all your live classes, revision, crash course, everything, so that you can continuously revise with the help of this JIB Mahapack 2.0. Apart from this, we will be providing you mock test, ebooks, videos, so that you can continuously revise it. Because the number of times you're going to revise it, you will become master of this subject. If you think that just by reading one time we will become master, no. You need to continuously revise it. Yes. And one more thing we have, that is JIB Increment and Mahapack. In this, we will be providing you books which we are going to deliver at your home. So you can use those books for solving MCQs, formula sheets, PYQ topics which are very repetitive. Apart from that, all your live classes again will be part of this particular pack. Now it's up to you which particular thing you want to use for your preparation. But remember, start early, because now you have March and April only. You have only 2 months and you have 4 subjects. Yes. So you need to prepare according to it. And remember, when you are enrolling it, you can use one coupon code, that is Y895, for the maximum discount. And this is your QR code for your Telegram group. In that Telegram group, I am giving you short notes, yes, formulas, so that you can continuously revise it and you can get confidence on this AFM subject. So thank you everyone for joining. Take care and bye bye.